Hello everybody! Today I'm going to talk about rabbits and chicken in the same cage. So a rabbit has 4 feet, a chicken has 2 feet, and the question asks you this. There's a total number of 46 animals in the cage, and there's a total number of 128 feet in the cage, consisting of only rabbits and chicken. How many of rabbits are there and how many of chicken? Let's see this. Let's start from an easy example. If there are 2 rabbits, 0 chicken, there will be 2 times 4 feet. That's total number 8. And if we were to replace 1 rabbit with 1 chicken, so that the total number of rabbits goes down to 1, and the chicken goes up by 1, since we replaced 1 rabbit with 1 chicken, there would be 4 plus 2, that's 6 feet. So for each replacement we do, the total number of rabbits goes down by 1, and the total number of chicken goes up by 1, and the total number of feet goes down by 2. Let's replace another one. So replace another rabbit with one chicken, so that rabbit goes down to 0, chicken goes down to 2, chicken goes up to 2, and there will be 2 times 2, that's 4 feet. So we can conclude that for each replacement we do with each replacement of rabbit or chicken we do, the total number of feet goes down by 2. We can also think about this. For each replacement of rabbit or chicken, since a rabbit has 2 more feet than the chicken does, therefore for each replacement we do, the total number of feet goes down by 2. If we were to have 46 animals in the first place and 0 chicken, we would end up with 184 feet. That's 46 times 4. If you get what I'm saying, you can pause the video right here and go further down the question. Or if we were to replace 1 rabbit with 1 chicken, we'd get 45 rabbits, 1 chicken. That's 45 times 4 plus 2. That's 182. So for each replacement we do, the total number of feet goes down by 2. We want this number 184 to go down to 128. And the difference now is 184 minus 128. That's 46. So we want to do some replacements so that this number goes down by 56. And for each replacement, this number goes down by 2. So 56 divided by 2. That's 28 replacements. So that by replacing 28 rabbits with chicken, this number goes down by 56 to 128. So we want to replace 46 rabbits with chicken. 46 minus 28, that's 18 rabbits. And 0 plus 28, that's 28 chicken. So 18 rabbits and 28 chicken would give us 128 feet. That's the answer. Think about what would happen if we were to assume that all 46 animals were chicken in the first place. Would we get the same answer? Would we get the same results? Let's take a break and I'll continue with question 2. Okay, so let's get to question 2. This is a harder one. There's a total number of 100 animals in the cage, and there are 80 more chicken feet than rabbit feet. How many of chicken and rabbits are there in the cage? Let's see. So let's use the same approach that we used in question 1. Let's assume that there are 100 chicken in the cage and 0 rabbits. So there are 200 chicken feet, 0 rabbit feet, and the difference now is 200. Let's replace 1 chicken with rabbit this time. There are 99 chicken in the cage, 1 rabbit, and there are 198 chicken feet, 4 rabbit feet. That'll give us the difference of 194. If you can see where I'm going with this, you can pause the video right now and keep going on with the question. Let's replace again. If there are 98 chicken feet, 98 chicken, 2 rabbits, that'll give us 196 chicken feet, 8 rabbit feet, and 188. The difference of 188. So for every replacement of chicken with rabbit we do, the number of chicken goes down by 1, and the number of rabbits goes up by 1, and the number of chicken feet goes down by 2. Number of rabbit feet goes up by 4. The difference now is, since the number of chicken feet goes down by 2, so the difference would go down by 2, and the number of rabbit feet went up by 4, so the difference would go down by a total of 6. For each replacement of chicken with rabbit we do, the difference goes down by 6. And we want that number to go down to 80. So we started with 200 feet, and we want that number to go down to 80. 200 minus 80, that's 120. So we want our replacements to cause the difference to go down by 120. And for each replacement, this number goes down by 6. So 120 divided by 6, that's 20. So we have to do 20 replacements from this point, from 100 chicken, 0 rabbit point. So 20 replacements will cause the number of chicken to go down by 20. That'll give us 100 minus 20, that's 80 chicken. And we replaced 20 chicken with rabbits. So 0 rabbits plus 20, that's 20 rabbits. And let's see, chicken feet, that's 80 times 2, that's 160. And rabbit feet is 20 times 4, that's 80. And the difference would be 160 minus 80. That's 80. You get that? Think about what would happen if we were to assume that all 100 animals were rabbits in the first place. And why did I assume that all 100 animals are chicken in this question, and I assumed all animals were rabbits in the first question? Why did I make the switch? What would happen?
Alright, so here are some questions I want you to work with to practice. And some questions are quite similar to the ones that I went through, and some of them are harder, and I always encourage you guys to think and try to apply the approach that I used, or come up with your own method. And maybe you'll need to do some changes to the method, and they're very good practices. All right, good luck.